Calculus. Calculus. Numero uno. Calculus. Uno. Alright, let's get rid of that. Okay. So, those of you who are watching this, you're probably going to be a little bit through calculus. This isn't going to be your first day on the calculus train. But we're going to be going over the product rule today. So, product rule of derivatives. Yeah, that's what, yeah, there you go. So product rule, it's going to lay it out. You have f of x and g of x. You need to find the derivative with respect to x. Well, let's make that a little cleaner. F of x, g of x, derivative equals product rule. Remember, this is, we'll do P rule. Rule. Not parole. Product rule. Anyway, f of x times g of x f prime of x times g of x plus f of x times g prime of x. So here's the product rule. You take the derivative of the first one or the second one. The order doesn't matter because this is a plus sign or a hot cross bond, depending on how you want to look at that. F prime of x times g of x plus f of x times g of x. So derivative of one times the regular of the other plus the regular of one times the derivative of the other. You can write this in terms of u of v, or you can use g of x, you can use g of y. Excuse my mask, we're still in the coronavirus season here, so do not want my computer to get any unwanted visitors. Okay. Let's use an example. Alright, let's say we have 2x times, let's mix it up, we'll use two different variables, 4y squared. Product rule. What is the derivative of this? Derivative of this. Derive. So prime. So bring this down. That's first. 2 is the derivative of 2x. 2x goes to 2 times 4y y squared. This is also going to be a little bit of implicit derivation or implicit derivatives. So you're kind of getting two topics in one here. So this is actually going to be dx in between. To dx because you can take this we'll say with respect to x. So 2 dx is the derivative here. Times 4y, no derivative, leave it, plus 2x, we'll leave it as it is. 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 y. You guys probably already know this, but you know that the 8 is the 2 times the 4. So I got the 8. Then you subtract from the 2. So you get a 1. So that's just going to be nothing up here. It's just 8y is the derivative. And since we're taking the derivative of y, it's dy dx. So this is the product rule. Right here is the product rule. If they're asking for the product rule, you're done. You can go home and make hot cross buns and be happy with your knowledge of the product rule forever. Because it is an easy one. So you'll usually need to solve this though. So dx over dx is 1. That cancels out. 2 and 4 is 8. We have 8y squared plus none of that cancels out. So plus 2x 8y dy dx. A lot of the times we're going to want this in terms of dy dx. We're going to say, what is dy dx? So you just have to simplify for this. So let's get rid of all that. All this mess. You guys don't need to see the beginning anymore because we are just about done. Just ignore that little chunk I took out of the 2. Oh boy. Here we go. Bring this to the top. I forgot what we got. Oh, okay. 2x 8y dy dx equals subtract this minus 8y 2 subtracted that, and all right, now we just have to we can do a bunch of things. I'm gonna divide. So get rid of 8, divide by 2. I like that. Get rid of the 2 here. Turn this into a 4. Alright, let's divide again. Let's divide by 4. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Now we have, so divided by 4, that's a 2. And that's just a y. Alright. Now we're going to divide the whole thing by x 2 y. Don't forget this negative sign here. It's important. Get rid of this. Can still do more, so let's get rid of a y. That gets rid of a y. Get rid of this. Dy dx equals negative y over, that looks weird, x2, I don't like that. No. 2x. Yeah. Okay, here you go. This is your answer. So that was a implicit differentiation and product rule. Boom. Thank you.